taking off the control arms?
Because they're fucked. They need new bushings and shit. And Nick needs to learn. He thinks he's gonna fucking be in the old car game, you know? So, and then this thing's rusty. I didn't even think that this was bad. I built this patch panel right here, and then I guess I kind of pulled this a little bit, and like it ripped this whole piece out of here. Like, I don't know how I didn't notice that. That's how rusty it was.
So that's what you're doing, was taking that off?
Yeah, so I'm making a new piece of this right here. And then I have to make this too, and then
Make that come off?
yeah, I have to make a piece of metal here.
Like the same one that's right there?
Yeah, like I might drill these spot welds even and try and pull this. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but it's gonna kind of suck because it's like round. It'll be really hard to make that.
You gonna weld it?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna fucking.
Are you gonna get Curtis the welder to do it?
No, we can't weld sheet metal. Yeah, and like this door is pretty fucked too, but I got another set of doors. So I'll probably replace this door. The driver's door is not that bad. I might patch the little pieces that are bad on it. Like the floor pan there, I got the main piece that was rusty cut out. So next I just got to make a pan to put in the other side there. If you go look over there, you know.
I don't know where to look.
The big hole?
Oh, right here?
Yeah. Yeah, I got my whole trans tunnel, which my footage there you've seen. I still gotta like fully weld it, but I've just been lazy now. I felt like doing that yet, because that's gonna be like a couple hours. But yeah, I thought I'd start with floor pans though, because I gotta build my trans cross member next, because I built my motor mounts. And I had to take the original cross member out, so I'm starting from scratch with my trans cross member. So I thought I might as well have something to weld brackets and stuff too if I need. So that's why I'm doing the floors first. It'd be nice if I had a bead roller, because then I could put bead rolls in that the factory floor has, like over there. But I don't, so they'll just be flat. It's whatever. Weld it in here and then cut the round shape like that and grind it off. You'll see it'll look pretty sick. Those are going in the Falcon. Just got a 6 score off Marketplace, $100 for both seats, dude. Brand new. Gotta see if they're even like a decent width. They might be too wide for me, but that'll drive. It's a little loose on me, but that's okay. I can put padding in.
Yeah.
Weird.
Are those your new tires?
Yeah.
You get these on Facebook too? Eh? You get these on like Facebook too or whatever?
No, I had to get them ordered in from the island, and they came over on a truck full of cows. So. I need to throw this battery out. Well, that looks sick. Before, this was kind of way up tall, you know, now that it's lower, that looks more proper, right?
So you just took out the bottom? You can still put it on though without the bottom?
I'm gonna make my own, like, bottom, you know? I was like, the other day, I was thinking about, like, what seats I want to run. I was thinking it'd be really cool to run Kirkies. So I was like, no, I don't want to buy brand new Kirkies, bro. And then $100 for 2 brand new curtains on Marketplace. I was like, kind of have to. So here we are. Oh, dude, this would be fucking gang. I probably want to be a little bit higher than this, but it'd be kind of sick this low.
Yeah. Like, I'll see what it looks like.
That looks so gang.
I barely see your head, like.
Yeah, like.
Would you be able to see out the front?
Oh yeah, I can see.
A little dangerous like that, I'd say.
Yeah, I know, it'd be kind of heat. Like.
But imagine someone pulled up beside you. I was like. I'll take a picture of what it looks like.
Yeah, it probably looks fun.
What's that?
This is really good for the environment! Hey, dumbass.
No.